Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Java not opening .jar files. So this is the .jar file I have here. Make sure that you have a working .jar file. It's not an image or something or not a blank jar file. After you have ensured that you have a working jar file, make sure to update your Java software. So we're going to go to java.com and then we're going to click on download Java. Scroll down and click on download Java again, and the download will start. We're going to wait till the download is finished. So our download has been finished. Now we are going to install Java. Now we are going to go through the installation. Alright, so our installation is finished. We're going to close this window and then we are going to open our Java file. Now we're going to be able to double click and open this jar file easily. So let's double click. As you can see, the jar file has started working and the data from the server had started to download. But still, if double clicking is not working, then what you should do is right click on your Java file, then you should go to open with and then click on Java TM platform SE binary. And if it's not present here, then you should click on choose another app, and then you can find Java TM platform binary here, or you can go to more options and find something like Java TM platform binary SE here. Then we are going to click on it and then click always. After that, it will work. As you can see, now double clicking works too. But if you find this method more hassle, then you can just go to Jarfix, Google Jarfix, and then go to the first link. This is their official website of Jarfix. So we're going to go to this website. Now we're going to scroll down to find Jarfix. So we're going to find something like this. After you see jarfix.exe, click on it and then it will download. Since the file is very small, it has been downloaded. Now we're going to open it. So after opening, we're going to see this message which shows that the .jar file has been registered successfully with Java. So we're going to click on OK, then we're going to try opening this file again. So let me just delete these files and then I will run this file again. As you can see, it's running again. So that's how you can make sure that your jar file is opening with Java. If you found this video helpful, guys, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.